Some protein stains can be common. Sometimes we'll go weeks and weeks with not a protein stain issue, and sometimes we'll use this product almost every day. So chocolate is a protein stain. Blood is a protein stain. Urine is not a protein stain. The urine from our bodies has a very small amount of protein, but designed for the kidneys to filter out protein from the urine. So if a human urine sample has a lot of protein, it's an indication in most cases that there are issues with the kidneys. So people think urine, or that urine is a protein. It is not. The more common protein stains that you're going to find as far as stains are blood, chocolate, maybe an egg, right? That's a protein. Maybe someone dropped a raw steak. Or even a cooked steak, and it got a stain on the carpet. The grease from that steak is a protein. So the way you use this is not a booster. You'd apply this via a spray bottle. You would just spray it directly on the carpet and either work it in with your fingers if you want to, or if you're like, I'm not going to touch that, just do the Nike shuffle. So your foot, spray it, and then just kind of work it in, okay? And then leave it until you're going to rinse the carpet. Pre-spray the carpet like everything else, including that spot, but you pre-treated that protein stain spot with this. Then you apply the regular pre-spray, scrubbed it, extracted it, and it comes out quite nicely. So you'd use these when you're at a customer's home and there are a few different protein spots. You know, there's a blood stain over there, and there's another protein stain. Maybe there's a kid got hold of a chocolate bar over there, and in that room over there, there's something else that's leaving a stain. Who knows whatever else. You apply it on those individual stains. The product is extremely expensive. I don't care about that. I want products that work very well, and I buy the best I get my hands on. But just know that it's not to be just added to the pre-spray, what have you. It's designed to be applied directly to the stain on a case-by-case basis before you wet the spot with other products.